Hey everyone, welcome to our Zoho Forms Masterclass. In this series, we are exploring every corner of Zoho Forms, tool by tool, setting by setting. In today's video, you will learn 5 ways to create a form, followed by a full walkthrough of the form builder fields. Let's start with 5 ways you can build a form in Zoho Forms. First, create from scratch, standard layout. Click New Form. Create from scratch, choose standard layout. This is a long form, format ideal for surveys, registrations, or detailed input. Second, create from scratch card layout. Same process, but choose card layout instead. This displays one question per screen, perfect for mobile-friendly, conversational style forms. Third, use templates. Pick from Zoho's library of pre-built templates like contact forms, onboarding, polls, etc. Customize and deploy much faster than building from scratch. CRM form. If you want data to sync automatically with Zoho CRM, choose Create CRM form. It creates fields matching CRM modules for seamless mapping. Fifth, convert PDF to form. Upload a PDF of your form and Zoho will auto-detect fields and convert it into fillable form fields. Instant digitization. AI form generation. Just type something like event registration form. Zoho Forms AI will build a form with fields and layout in seconds, then tweak as needed. All 5 are great starting points depending on your goal, whether you want to design from scratch or save time. Let's use a grid field to organize horizontally. I'll drag the 2-column grid, which creates 2 side-by-side cells, ideal for pairing name and email or city and postal code in one row. The grid helps structure your form neatly. Zoho supports up to 3-column grids. Name field. In column 1, I'll add the name field. I'll label it full name. Make first and last mandatory. And hide the middle name and suffix for simplicity. Name fields collect structured names with validation. Email field. In column 2, I'll drag the email field. It automatically validates email format. I'll set placeholder and make it mandatory. Address field. Next, outside grid, I'll drag address field. This composite field captures structured location, street, city, state, postal, and country. I'll add address line 2 to streamline and mark city and postal code as mandatory, typically used for delivery or billing forms. Phone field. I'll add the phone field. Zoho supports international formatting or local. I'll choose international format. I'll set minimum 10 digits, allow no duplicates, and mark mandatory. This field is ideal for registration or callback forms. Website field. Now I will add the website field for URL input. I'll label it company website. Placeholder as website field is used for capturing client or business links. Let's capture job details. Single line field. I will add a single line field. I'll label it job title. Placeholder as example sales manager. A single line field is great for short responses. Multi-line field. Now I will add a multi-line field. Label it as project description. I will add a character limit to maximum 500 words. We use multi-line field for detailed input like feedback or testimonials. Now let's handle numeric inputs and calculations. Number field. I will add a number field. I will label it as team size. I will set the minimum value as 1 and maximum value as 100. A number field is great for counts. Decimal field. I will add a decimal field here. I am going to label it as hourly rate. We use decimal field to capture values like 150.50. I will set it as 2 decimal places. Formula field. I will add the formula field. In the formula builder, I will set it as team size times hourly rate. I will label the formula field as estimated cost. Then we will hide the field from users. A formula field is perfect for auto-calculated results. Currency field. The currency field captures monetary values in a specific currency along with its unit. This could be a monetary value associated with a transaction, donation, or any other financial information. Now for selection options. Drop-down field. I will add a drop-down field. Label it as services interested in. I will give the choices as consulting, implementation, and support. Then we will go to advanced and will assign values to consulting, implementation, and support as 1, 2, and 3 respectively. We will use these numerical values for later reporting or formulas. Radio buttons. I will add a radio field. Label it as preferred contact method, and we will give options like email and phone. Radios force single selection, which are good for binary answers. Checkbox field. Now we will add a checkbox field. Label it as interested areas, and here are the options: automation, training, and support. Visitors can select multiple. Checkbox works well for multi-select tasks. Multiple choice. We will drag a multiple choice field. Label it as available days, and we will enter the options from Monday to Friday. I will limit selection to maximum of 3 days in properties. Multiple choices are helpful in scheduling forms. Image choices. I will add an image choice field. Then I will enter the packages, which are basic, standard, and pro. I will upload the icons for these and set the values. This is a visual intuitive choice field. Matrix choices. I will add a matrix field. Say rating features, speed, support, and value. And we will give the values across scale from 1 to 5. This field is great for advanced surveys. We can configure rows and columns in the properties. Date field. I will add a date field. label it as project start date. I will set the default to today and make this field mandatory. This field is useful for schedules. Time field. I will add a time field. Label it as preferred time slot. This field is great for capturing time separately. Date time field. We will now use date time field. Label it as meeting slot. Date time field combines both date and time input in one field. Month year. We will now add a month year field. Label it as billing start month. This field only captures month and year. Useful for subscriptions or project timelines. File upload field. We will add a file upload field. Label it as upload resume. We will allow all file types to be accepted. Maximum file size will be 20 MB and we will allow maximum of 2 files to be uploaded. We will create a file name using the merge tags. File upload field is useful for collecting documents. Image upload field. Add an image upload field. Label it as upload ID photo. We will allow JPG and PNG. Mobile users can click or upload. Audio or video upload. We will add an audio or video upload. We will select audio and label it as submit voice note. This field is great for testimonials or recorded inputs. Respondents can directly record in mobile. Rating field. I will add a rating field. Label it as overall experience. We will choose stars with 5 numeric values. This field is ideal for feedback surveys. Slider field. Let's add a slider field. Label it as effort level 1 to 10. We will set minimum as 1 and maximum as 10. And the initial value is going to be 5. Sliders provide intuitive feedback input. Description field. We will drag a description field at the top. We will add a brief welcome message and maybe a link or bullet list of what the form covers. This isn't a data field, it's purely for user guidance. Audio or video embed. Right below description, we will add audio video embed. We can embed a short intro video, for example, host saying thanks for joining, fill this form, etc. etc. This field is very useful in guided forms. We will add a unique ID. This assigns a sequential ID like AID001, AID002, and so on. This field is great for tracking registrations or support requests. We will now add a random ID. Label it as order code. We will configure it to generate alphanumeric code of 8 characters. This field is useful when you want non-sequential identifiers. Terms and conditions field. We will add terms and conditions field. We can paste our privacy policy or consent wording. Visitor must agree before submission. Signature field. We will add a signature field, label it digital signature. Respondent can sign using mouse or touch. This field is great for consent or simple agreements. Decision box. We will add a decision box field, label it as I confirm that the above details are accurate. This is a lightweight yes or no checkpoint. Section element. We will drag a section field to group fields like contact info. I will label two sections. First is personal details and the second one as company info. This just groups fields visually, it doesn't capture data. This is ideal for long forms. Page break section. Finally, we are going to insert page break after a group and label it as job and budget info page. This splits the form into a second page. Zoho shows native pagination with next or back buttons. This is essential for multi-step surveys. Subform field. A subform is like a mini form inside a form. Here, I will use it to collect multiple team members' name, role, and email per row. You can choose inline or pop-up entry. Can repeat allowed number of rows. Zoho CRM field. This field lets you pull in CRM records like lead or contact lookup. It supports mapping many field types. Later, the flow can push data back into CRM. Payment field. If you need to charge customers, drag payment field. It connects to PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, etc. You can autofill amount from a formula field or fixed value. Then set currency, receipt email, and choose options like trigger workflows only on successful payment. Thanks for watching episode 1 of Zoho Forms series. In our next video, we will explore field rules, conditional logic, and display rules to make your forms smarter.